Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage a side hustle with Venmo. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by downloading the Venmo app from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and create your account if you haven't already. Provide your personal information, including your name, email, and phone number. Link your bank account or debit card to facilitate transactions. After setting up your account, explore the app's interface to familiarize yourself with its features. To receive payments for your side hustle, create a unique username in Venmo. Share this username with clients or customers for easy transactions. When you receive a payment, you'll receive a notification within the app. Check your balance regularly to keep track of incoming funds. If you wish to transfer funds to your bank account, navigate to the Manage Balance section. Select Transfer to Bank and enter the amount you wish to transfer. Choose between an instant transfer or a standard transfer based on your needs. For managing invoices, use the Venmo payment request feature. Create a detailed description of the goods or services provided when making a request. Encourage clients to include their usernames for easy identification. Utilize Venmo's privacy settings to control who sees your transactions. Set your profile to private if you prefer to keep your business activities confidential. Keep accurate records of all transactions for accounting purposes. Use Venmo's search function to find previous payments related to your side hustle. Consider keeping a spreadsheet to track your total earnings from your side hustle. Stay aware of Venmo's fees for instant transfers and adjust your pricing accordingly. Regularly check for app updates to ensure you're using the latest features. If you encounter any issues, refer to Venmo's Help Center for assistance. Finally, review your approach and make adjustments as necessary to improve your side hustle management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.